welcome back to my channel. As you saw by the title, we're doing a full face of Saie Beauty makeup. Saie Beauty is one of my favorite makeup lines because it just gives you this glowy, natural finish, but it still is coverage. So here's the completed look. So let's just get into the video. Okay, let's get into this tutorial. I have all my Saie products with me down here, but first, would it be a full face of Saie if I didn't have everything in the cutest little Saie makeup bag? They gifted this to me almost a year ago on Valentine's Day, and I have been obsessed with it ever since. It holds so much. It holds all my Saie products and so much more. Clearly I've been using it because it's gotten a little dirty up there, but it just fits so much. And this brown like cognac leather, so freaking cute. Anyways, that's how we have to start off the tutorial. First things first, Saie is known for their Star Glow primers. This one is the Sun Glow. It's more of a bronzy, but I also have Rose Glow, which is more of like a rosy type of vibe or like an under blush. And then their most iconic one is the Star Glow, and that's just like a lighter natural overall glow. I'm feeling a little pale. Just a little pale. So we're gonna go with the Sun Glow. Just do a couple pumps of that. Might even be too much. You really don't need too much of this product. Bring it down on my neck just a little bit. But it's really just gonna give me this nice underglow, tan, give my face a little bit more color. It's still winter time, so it's actually the 1st of February. So just a nice little glow situation here. So we have that, and then I'm just gonna let this sit on here for a little bit, but obviously you can tell like it gives me a nice glow, but it's not like too heavy. Then for face coverage, we're gonna go in with the Saie Slip Tint. It has broad spectrum SPF 35. It's like a tinted moisturizer. The shade that I have is 4.5. This might be a little dark for me. We'll see. Just gonna, okay, this might be too bad. I'm just gonna do a little bit all over my face. One of the things that I love most about Saie are their brushes. I have this one that's really great for foundation. I'll put the name of these brushes on the screen because I don't see them on the brushes. But I use this one for the slip tint, I use this one for bronzer, and then I use this one for blush. I don't know if that's what they're supposed to be used for. That's what I like to use them for. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit of setting spray on my face and then on the brush just to kind of help, also to help my makeup stay really well. What I love about Saie Beauty just in general is their makeup is just so natural. I really hate cakey feeling makeup, and Saie just is not that at all. They do a really good job of making it still like noticeable, because sometimes natural makeup, it's like you don't see anything. Saie does. They just really do a great job of having that perfect in between where it's like, yes, enough makeup for a little bit of coverage, but it's still like me. You can still tell that it's my skin. You can still tell that I'm not like overly done. These brushes are so soft. Like, look how this is blending into my skin. It's almost as if I just have really great skin and it's not any makeup on. I really blend it in all around my nose, bring it down my neck a little bit. Guys, even if you didn't really want to wear that much makeup and you just wanted a nice like blur effect, look at my skin right now. It's actually insane how good this is. And it has SPF. So if you wanted to wear it outside during the day when it's hot and you're a little bit sweaty, this is even better because it's so light and just the perfect base. Now that we have that, my next step is bronzer. They have a few different bronzers. This one is their Dew Bronze, and it's in the shade Swim. This is my everyday one. They have a few other shades though. I might be thinking of their blushes. They have a lot of blushes. This is a bronzer in the shade Spritz. So Swim, Spritz. This one's a little more cool toned, I would say. I think that's all the bronzers I have. I have like a million blushes, so when we get to the blushes, I'll show you all of the ones that I have. We're in the shade, what did I say, Swim. And this is just really creamy pigmented. I like to do a dot here around my forehead, and then to blend the whole look together, I really like using bronzer as eyeshadow. I feel like it really kind of just moves together and it gives me just a little bit more color on my eyes. I need to do this in the mirror. I'm just gonna put a little bit there, and then sometimes I like to bring it down on my chin just a little bit. And then we're gonna take this medium brush and I like to dab it in first and then blend. I feel like that gives you both good coverage and it really helps meld it all together in your skin. I might put a little bit more around my forehead. We'll see after I blend it in. I'll bring it down on my neck just a little bit. Yeah, I feel like I might do just a little bit more, just so you can really see it on the camera. But this eyeshadow trick is absolutely my favorite. It makes it doing it so easy. Ooh, I can't see. It's just a nice glow, and it really goes with the bronzer. Okay, we're all bronzed up. Now for blush, my fave. So the one that I've been using every day is their Dew Blush in the shade Rosy. This is so good. This one's my favorite, but they have so many. Okay, like look, a blush girly. You need to try Saie. Look how freaking cute. And there's so many. We'll quickly go through all the shades just so you guys can have an idea if there's one that you really like. More magenta-y one is in the shade Baby. Freaking cutest name ever. Oh, I have two babies. Super cute. This deeper pink one is in Chili. This one is in the shade Sweetie. Dreamy is like a deep, rich pink magenta. This one's a little more orangey pink, and this one's in the shade Poppy. This one is a deeper brown red. It's in the shade Spicy. I feel like this would look really good on darker skin tones. And then Cutie, similar vibes, darker, like a deeper brown blush. I think this would be good for a fall type of situation. Anyways, those are all the blushes. But my favorite that I've used so far is definitely Rosy. I feel like it's just that perfect mix of pink and red, but not too like in your face. Anyways, similar formula to the bronzer and the slip tint. Very dewy as it's a dew blush. I like to do it, and this is so pigmented. So I like to do a dot on the tops of my cheeks and then a tiny one on the bridge of my nose. And then I like to blend up first for that lifting effect and then across. And I use this little Saie brush. So we're gonna go up and I bring it a little bit underneath because I also feel like it gives me a little bit of coverage with my under eye bags. And again, this is so pigmented, so you don't need too much. It'll get the job done very fast. It almost reminds me of Rare Beauty's blush. I know that was super popular, but I've used Rare Beauty's and it's good. It's like almost too pigmented though, where it's like you can't even use it. This is like you feel like you get the perfect amount of coverage and color. I can't tell because the light in my face is very bright, but hopefully you can see that it's just a very pretty glow across my face. That's what we're going for. This is very much an in-person, really great makeup look. I feel like sometimes when I watch beauty tutorials, they do it so it looks really good on camera, which obviously I want you guys to be able to see what it looks like on camera, because that's the whole point of this video. But in person, that makeup looks almost too done. But in person, Saie Beauty makeup is the perfect amount. It's like you have just enough makeup to look super cute and a little bit of coverage, but you're not doing way too much. And it doesn't feel like too much. Honestly, it doesn't feel like I really have makeup on my face. I love the blush. After that, I also have been using this for so long. Their concealers are really, I'm saying that about everything, but honestly, most of my makeup collection is Saie because I use it every day. It's just that good. I have their Slip Tint Concealer in the shade 9. I also had another one, but I think I used it all. It was a different shade, but it probably was similar, close to this one. I'm pretty sure I used it all, so I don't know what shade that one is. And honestly, this one's at the end of its life. I have to get a new one. I like to do a dot underneath my eye bags, around my nose. And then if I feel like I need more coverage, sometimes I'll go along my cheeks and stuff because I'm very veiny. Or if I have like, pimples or acne or whatever, I'll cover that up. But honestly, my face is doing pretty good right now. So I'm gonna let that sit. From my understanding, Saie does not have any brow products, so I can't use Saie for my brows. So I'm gonna do my brows quickly while I let the concealer sit. You're supposed to let it so it really like melds into your skin first before blending it out. So I'm gonna do my brows and then we'll come back and we'll do the concealer. Very easy brows to go with this more natural look. So now the concealer sit for a little bit. I'm just gonna blend it out. I just use setting spray and then I have this little beauty blender sponge. I don't enjoy creasing, so I try to look down so that my eye bags don't crease too much. Or if you look up and you do it, I don't know if this technique is foolproof, but I like to look down and I like to blend it out, and then I try and pull it up so it gives me more of a snatching effect. It's kind of crazy, but that's what I've been doing. And then I bring it down around my nose. Just gives me a little bit of brightening, a little bit more coverage. And again, like all of the Saie products, it's just so blendable. It just literally melts into your skin. Then we have a beautiful base of makeup. Those are all the Saie products that I have. Oh my god, I'm silly. The last thing, I haven't done anything to my eyelashes, but Saie has this fantastic mascara. I don't know what's the name. Mascara 101, and that's literally what it is. Just the perfect mascara. This is in the shade Black Noir. I don't know if they have any other colors of mascara, but I really love this one. I usually do black anyways. I'm gonna curl my lashes, and this is what the brush looks like. It's like a typical brush, but it kind of barrels out, and then at the tip, it has like these extra spoolies that help you really get in the corners. I would say it's a great combination of both lengthening and volume. Sometimes you can just get one or the other. I want both. I want it all. Why can't I have it all? Let's look at the difference. Let's focus. No lashes. Amazing lashes. Insane. I'm gonna do the other right now. And I tend to not do it on my bottom lashes because I feel like it brings my eyes down, and I really want that lifted look. Just snatched. Not clumpy at all. Very smooth formula. And the only other thing that I wish that they had, obviously now I'm for sure done with all my Saie products. The only other thing I wish they had was a really cute lip product. Like they do so good with the blush colors. If they have a really cute lipstick or lip gloss, that would be fantastic. But since they don't, let me just a little pink. Just a nude pinky everyday lip, and then finish it off with some lip oil. I've done this 10 times in the video. That's like the new TikTok thing, this wiggly fingers. I actually just did a brand deal with these nails, and they specifically asked us not to do this. We need to see the nails. Anyways, this is the completed look. I love doing this. It's so good for every day, so good just for a natural makeup look where you still want to feel a little bit more put together, a little bit more finished. Oh, I guess I should end with some setting spray. That's another thing they should get. Just a nice pink, bronzy, glowy, very dewy makeup. Saie Beauty, love you. Love your products. I wear them almost every day. They're in my immediate rotation. If you were even considering trying Saie, I 100% would. Definitely high quality makeup products that stay in my consistent rotation, especially if you love natural, more dewy, more glowy makeup. This is the one. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It means the world to me. If you guys want more makeup situations, let me know. I would love to do those. But yeah, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.